Hey friends, well, this is an end of it. We never seem to remember to record. Anyway, my name's Chris, Marlow Ranch and Sawmill, Farm Flips on YouTube. And this is my son Christopher. Christopher, what are you doing?
Hey guys, I'm rolling poly wire up. Pretty simple task. Already got one rolled up. On to the second roll.
You can leave that by those posts.
Oh, yeah, that'll work. Ooh. Just your electrical cord reel.
Is that what it is?
Yep, this one's electrical cord reel. Those ones are welding spool wire reels.
MIG?
Yep, MIG. I think they're, those are probably 20 pound, 25 pound spools.
So I'm just coming along ahead of him and pulling the poly off. If I'm not there, he can do it, but it goes a little faster with two people. I carried, you can see the posts on the other side are gone. I carried those up the draw this way, otherwise it's up a steeper hill. And that's what I'll do. We got some other stuff to do at the bottom. When I'm done down there, I'll walk back up and carry all these up. We'll load them in the truck and be ready to lay them out tomorrow somewhere else. We're running out of grass here at home, but we're not quite ready to move the cattle yet. So that one's wrapped around a couple times. Anyway, if I get it uploaded, there'll be a video of me walking the same fence in the morning. All right, any final words this evening?
Nope, just rolling wire up and get yourself a little electrical cord reel. Pretty cheap, it'll work well.
All right, friends, everybody have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye.